just got off from work, which is why I look so bad. But I am ready to try another brand of hair color. Iroiro is kind of like faded to where it's looking like kind of blue. And right here, like in my bangs, it's like lighter. So like, it's kind of like fading to where it almost looks like I highlighted my hair, I guess. I'm going to a Renaissance fair this weekend and I just don't want my hair to be looking like this. I don't want fresh hair. Sorry, I'm not a good multitasker. I can't like talk and do stuff at once. So today I want to try out the baking soda method of removing hair color. Not removing your hair. I'm going to be trying out the baking soda method for removing hair color. I've watched a ton of videos on this and there's like 4 main ingredients. Obviously there's baking soda. A lot of people use dish soap. They use shampoo, and a lot of them they were using the Head and Shoulders anti-dandruff shampoo, and some of them they were using a clarifying shampoo, and then in some of them they were using a purple shampoo. And I didn't feel like buying a new shampoo, so I already had this. So this is the Biolage purple shampoo. And they used 10 volume. I've got 6. This is very drying for your hair. I can tell by the ingredients. So I would recommend following it up with a mask. Put my Olaplex here that I'm going to be putting in it. And then after, I'm going to see if this removes some of the color. Because what I want to do is try out the Strawberry Leopard Grapeful. I used the lilac the last time I used this brand. And I want to try the Grapeful color next. I'm going to put on a different shirt that I don't want to get stuff on. So I got a shirt on that I just don't care about. I don't really know like what to mix first. I think the ratio is just like equal parts. So put some purple shampoo in there. Chemically, this doesn't seem very good for your hair. I know it's gonna be super drying, so well, it's fine. Got the I feel like measuring this out would have been like the way to go. Developer. It just made a noise. Remove color. I usually use the Joico color eraser, and I bought some Pulp Riot blank canvas, but the color removers like those are formulated to remove their own brand of color. So like Pulp Riot is supposed to be formulated to remove Pulp Riot color, and I've heard that the iroiro colors are pretty hard to remove. As I'm doing this, I wanted to give that Strawberry Leopard color like a fair shot. I didn't want to put it over this because like this is already kind of purple. Here's the concoction. Since this has developer in it, I don't want it to lift my natural color, and it might. So I'm gonna make a note real quick. I've seen a lot of videos where people were using like 40 volume on their hair. Please, for the love of God, don't do that. I do hair for a living and I don't even really go above 20 with my hands because I think that's what I'm feeling. To try to remove some color so that I can use that other purple color. That doesn't make sense to remove color to do the same color, but in this case I'm just trying out different brands. The videos I watched, people seem to be leaving this on for around 20 to 30 minutes. So I'm probably gonna do like 20. I didn't think about it. I'm using purple shampoo. My hair is purple. I wonder if it's even gonna, like, if you're gonna be able to tell. I also hate that I'm wearing my glasses right now. I don't know why, cause like, I usually wear my glasses every day, but for some reason, like on my channel, I don't want to wear them. I think that's because I started this as like a beauty channel. Like when you wear glasses, like you can't see your makeup too well. I guess, I don't know. I like prefer to wear my contacts on doing my videos. I think something's happening. I don't know, I might be imagining it. Trying to not get this on my regrowth so hard. See, this is the like the area that's like already kind of lightened. Oh my god, I got a big glop right there. if you can see like how much of my roots are growing out, but I'm like so proud of it. I'm definitely one of those, when my hair was silver, I was bleaching it like every month, trying to keep it silver. I have the backdrop up. I don't know how I feel about it, because sometimes it gets like wavy looking and like it's not straight, and when I'm editing it bothers me. Mine and my husband's room, like it gets in the way a little bit, but our iroiro held up pretty good. I've actually been trying to fade it for a while now. I've been like washing my hair in hot water and stuff, trying to fade it. Little piece right here. Let's get you, fella. Okay. I got the timer set for 20 minutes. Since there's purple shampoo in this, if it's gonna like look lighter or whatever, it kind of looks a little lighter right here already. But that was also the part that was already kind of light. I don't know. Alright, I'm gonna check back in with you guys before I rinse this. Okay, I have got like 1 minute left on the timer, so I'm about to rinse. I mean, it looks lighter. I was expecting it to turn like green, because like when you're removing like blue base, you usually get like a green color. I'm about to shampoo this out. Regardless of what color it is, I'm going to use the strawberry leopard anyway. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys like what it looked like before I rinse it. I feel like Aqua from Kingdom Hearts right now. Listen, blue hair Tana is a vibe. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, so I gave up drying it because I got tired. I dried the top though so y'all could see. Yeah, I went from blue to more blue. It didn't lift my roots, but I tried to carefully to get it off. The pieces that were really light, they're kind of like a sky blue. Listen, what I was expecting was for it to lift out of my hair, and I thought it was gonna be like a lime green color, and I thought I was gonna have lime green to tone out, but no, it's just blue. Hair, I did not even put any conditioner in it, and I'm not the kind of person that like does that, but it feels absolutely stunning. It feels clean. Like, this is the cleanest my hair has ever felt. See, like, look at that light piece right there. Like, the places where it was already fading, it's just like lighter. I'm gonna do the strawberry leopard color. Yeah, I literally feel like Aqua from Kingdom Hearts. Kingdom Hearts Birth by Sleep is my favorite Kingdom Hearts game. Unpopular opinion, I'm sure, but it was so freaking good. I've always heard that iroiro is like the hardest color to remove, so when I put it in my hair, I was like, a challenge. I guess I'm done rambling for now. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.